Hi, I'm Maurice Glavin with City Floor Supply. If you tuned in today to see Joseph Glavin, I'm his brother, in case you couldn't tell. So the reason that we're Facebook Living today, and the reason that I'm here instead of Joe's actually stuck at a job with my brother Mike that ran over time from what they expected. And you know, service knows no timeline is kind of what we like to say here. So what are we going to do today? Well, I'm really excited about what we're doing because we had a promotion at the end of the year with one of our vendors, Bona Year-End, and you saw that sort of snapshot right at the beginning of live, and the snapshot was basically telling you what the rules were as well as what the prizes were. So we're going to raffle off an iPad Pro, which you probably can see here, an iPad Pro, and some lucky devil that's bought Bona Year-End supplies from us through the end of the year is going to win this beautiful Samsung ultra high def TV. It's 65 inches and it's called Ultra Smart. And I always laugh because we have a joke here that everybody makes shuttles, but there's not enough astronauts. So I have a TV at home that I have trouble. I got to get my kids to work with me on, but it's awesome. So before we make those drawings, I just thought it would be fun for you to see, you know, sort of what a number of the products that we carry from Bona Year-End, especially, you know, we're bringing their full machine line on last year in 2018. We love Bona Year-End as one of our vendors because they're great for support. They have great products, and I think that one of their missions is to try and make your job easier as a contractor. So we're really grateful for them to be part of our vendor relationship. Obviously, you can see we have, this is the bucket with everybody's name in it. This is their edger. This is their Bona Power Station, and this is their Bona Sander. And our videographer was saying, man, some of this is a little, you know, beat up. Well, this one's actually been sold and had come in for servicing after so many hours of running. Some guys like to bring them in to get them tuned back up to spec. So that's what we were doing there. In addition to that, you can see we have some finishes here, Bonus Traffic, Bona Traffic HD, and the new product that they came out with in 2018, Bona Mega 1. So it's been an exciting year. Again, we're delighted to have Bona Year-End as one of our vendors, and they really work hard with contractors to make them the best that they can be. So as I mentioned, you know, this is going to be a shorter video. I did want to say something. We had a fun experience last week where one of my sons and one of our team members here at City Floor Supply had seen something trending on one of the social media sites, Reddit, and it was about our game line tape machine. And we had done a video, and somebody, you know, I don't really spend a lot of time on that particular social media platform, but somebody had cut together part of our video and it got out to a whole bunch of people. And last time we saw it was something like 750,000 people had looked at that particular GIF. And it's kind of fun, and we're working with a vendor now that is trying to figure out a way to help get that out to even more people. So that's been a lot of fun, and I thought that would be fun for you guys to hear. Maybe you go out on the internet, you could see it if you search through Reddit, and have some fun with it. In addition to that, you know, we actually had just made and are going to be launching very shortly a new game line tape machine video. So if there's anything we're all about here at City Floor Supply, it's about educating the contractor. Education, 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 service, service, service. So that's it. We're going to have a short Facebook Live. Joe will be back next Thursday with something that's going to be very educational. And we have some people that have made some suggestions. And actually, I think next week we might be using one of those suggestions as our Facebook Live demo. So tune in for that, and we'll be sending you a little notice during the week what that's going to be all about. So let me do this. I'm going to do my own drum roll. I'm going to get the names pulled up, or get a name pulled out. The first thing I think we're going to be doing is the iPad Pro. The iPad Pro first place prize goes to Caliber Hardwood Flooring in East Earl, PA. Caliber Flooring, you got a new iPad. Congratulations. So just for fun, I'll just show you the front of the iPad there. And the Pro is the newest and latest and greatest edition from Apple. Pretty cool. And if you guys, we have here the HD TV, 65-inch, ultra high def, smart TV. I wish I had bought some finish so I could be the guy in the bucket here. All right, so second place prize, the Samsung TV 4K Ultra HD Smart, goes to Classic Floor Finishing in West Berlin, New Jersey. Oh my gosh, congratulations, Classic. Awesome job. So we're gonna close out now. If you have any questions, you can certainly get us through our website, or you can call us on our 800 number, however works for you. And we look forward to working with you in 2019. Have a great day.